If you live anywhere in southern Ontario, there are likely rocks like this in your neighborhood. They might be disguised seats in your schoolyard or part of a wall along a sidewalk or path, like this one. Why are these landscape rocks special? Well, there's a good chance that fossils are hiding within. My name is Karina, and I work at the Earth Sciences Museum at the University of Waterloo. I want to challenge you, as viewers, to go on a fossil field trip. Venture out into your neighborhood and search for fossils in limestone blocks, like these ones. Before going on your fossil field trip, go to our website, download the fossil key, and bring it with you on your hunt. Use the key to circle the fossils you find. A fossil is the remains, or some other evidence, of any prehistoric animal or plant. When most of us think of fossils, we think of dinosaurs. But dinosaurs were young compared to the animals that once lived in southern Ontario. Fossils from southern Ontario are almost twice as old as some dinosaurs were, ranging in age from 350 to 480 million years old. Unlike dinosaurs, these animals were much smaller, less scary, and they lived underwater. When these critters were alive, southern Ontario was repeatedly covered by large, shallow seas. And corals, like this one, grew up from the sea floor and were homes to ancient life. As time passed, the corals and other life, like this brachiopod, were buried in mud and eventually turned into rock like this fossiliferous limestone. These rocks are landscape rocks that have been brought here from a quarry, a place where rocks are dug up out of the ground and sold to people, helping to construct our roads and city buildings. When you go outside next, take your family on a fossil field trip and look closely at the landscape rocks in your community. Chances are you will discover the remains of fantastic fossils.